Purim, we're all going to reach beyond the consciousness of duality and all the different opposites, good and evil, light and darkness, Haman and Mordechai, or Mordechai and Haman, to the place of infinite oneness, where there is nothing else that exists, the pure being of the timeless, boundless one. We're going to see that underneath it all there is God. And that God is the great director, moving all the puppet strings around for the theater of life we experience. Putting Mordechai right where he has to be to hear about the plot against the king, Esther where she has to be to save the Jewish people. And everybody else does their dance until the whole thing just seems upside down. We realize we really don't understand anything at all about what's going on in this life. But there's one who knows and guides it all. And that's where we can find joy and light, being, peace, and refuge. And that's the work of Purim. That's why I say Yom Kippur is Yom Kippurim, a day like Purim. Because Yom Kippur is the other pole, where we go deeply inward until we touch that place of infinite oneness and the Holy of Holies, the heart of the temple. That presence fills the whole universe with light and life. And that's why there's a sense of joy, because you laugh at everything that you thought, the plans that you made. Discover that it's all not in your control. And it's all what they call in the East Maya, illusion level. And the whole journey is to take us to that place of knowledge, the oneness, all that exists, and that we are all part of that infinite oneness. And it's in that oneness and in that awareness that we find joy and laughter. And peace. Realize we're all just actors on the stage. putting on costumes, taking them off. Ultimately, we have to take off all the costumes, just be who we are. And we get to go home. So, bless us all to experience something of that moment of being without masks and going home this Purim.